Why does Monkey keep hearing the same advice over and over? You should invest your bananas. Sounds smart, sounds scary, but here's the truth. If Monkey just hides bananas under a rock, they rot. A pile of bananas today is a snack. A pile of bananas in 10 years is just dust. Inflation is the invisible bug that eats your pile while you sleep. Quiet, patient, constant. Monkey doesn't want rotten fruit. Monkey wants a forest. Investing is just planting seeds. Monkey gives up a few bites today, not to get them back tomorrow, but to own the whole tree later. No magic tricks, no fancy suits. Just time, dirt, and patience. Investing is choosing later instead of now, over and over again. Monkey has 3 main spots for his seeds. Simple spots. Easy to understand. First, banana companies. When Monkey buys a stock, Monkey buys a tiny piece of a jungle business. That business uses bananas to grow, sell more fruit, and hire more monkeys. If the company grows bigger, Monkey's piece grows too. Sometimes the company sends Monkey extra bananas just for owning a piece. Those are called dividends. Monkey didn't work that day. The bananas still showed up. Second, tree houses. Real estate. Monkey uses bananas to buy a branch where other monkeys want to sleep, work, or build their lives. They pay Monkey rent in bananas. Even when the jungle gets loud or messy, the tree house is still there. You can touch it. You can see it. It stands. Third, lending bananas. Bonds. Monkey lends bananas to the big gorilla or to groups of monkeys that run big jungle projects. They promise to give the bananas back later, plus a little extra. It's not exciting. It doesn't jump around, but it's steady. Slow bananas. Reliable bananas. Reliable bananas. But listen closely. Investing is not gambling. Gambling is a fast jump for a golden banana that probably isn't real. Investing is slow. Very slow. Some days Monkey feels smart. Some days Monkey feels very, very dumb. That doesn't mean Monkey is doing it wrong. Prices go up. Prices go down. That's the jungle breathing. Monkey stays on the branch and holds on. The biggest mistake monkeys make is thinking they need a huge pile to start. They don't. What Monkey really needs is time. 1 year is a sprout. 5 years is a small tree. 10 years is shade. 30 years is a full canopy. This happens because of compounding. Bananas make babies. Those babies make more babies. Then those babies start working too. It starts slow. Then it snowballs. Starting early beats starting big. Every time. Now let's talk about risk. No tree is perfectly safe. Storms happen. Bugs show up. Branches break. Markets fall. That's life in the jungle. That's why smart Monkey never puts all bananas in one basket. Spread the bananas across different trees. If lightning hits one tree, it hurts. But the rest of the forest keeps Monkey fed. The most expensive choice a monkey can make is doing nothing. Fear freezes monkeys in place. Keeping all bananas in cash feels safe, but inflation eats them quietly, every year. Monkey doesn't need fancy charts. Monkey doesn't need to guess the perfect moment to jump in. The best time to plant a tree was years ago. The second best time is today. Be consistent. Small banana amounts invested regularly beat big moves made once. Time in the market beats timing the market. Monkey doesn't need secrets or shortcuts. Monkey needs a plan, discipline, and time. That's how Monkey escapes bananas losing value. Monkey makes bananas work, so Monkey doesn't have to forever. Protect your bananas. Let them grow. One day, Monkey won't need to climb trees anymore. The trees will bring the fruit.